How to fix your device isn't compatible with this version in Zenless Zone 0. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you few different methods with the help of which you would be able to fix the compatibility of your version issues in Zenless Zone 0. So in order to fix the issue, the first thing that you need to do is you just have to update your graphics driver. So outdated or incompatible graphic drivers can cause compatibility issues with the game. So updating your drivers can resolve this problem. So if you want to upgrade or update your graphics drivers, then in the Windows you just have to press Windows plus I to open your settings. In the settings you just have to go to update and security. Afterwards you just have to check for updates, and then you just have to install any available updates. You can even update the drivers directly from the manufacturer. So you just have to identify your graphic card manufacturer. It can be Nvidia, AMD or Intel. Then you need to visit to their official website, and then you just have to download and install the latest drivers of your graphic card from there. In the second step, what you can do is you can just adjust the compatibility settings. So in order to do it, you first have to right click on the Zenless Zone 0 executable file. Then you need to select the properties option. Afterwards you just have to go to compatibility tab. Then check the box run this program in compatibility made for, and then you just have to select an older version of window. It can be 7, 8 from the drop down menu. Then you just have to click on the apply button and press OK. Afterwards, you just have to try to launch the game and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then the third method you can do is you can simply install the required DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. So games often require specific versions of DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Including these can fix compatibility issues. So there are direct steps. So you just have to download the DirectX and user runtime web installer from the official Microsoft website. Then you just have to run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. For downloading the Visual C++ redistributables, you just have to download the Visual C++ redistributables from the official Microsoft website. Then you just have to run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. In additional tips, I would recommend you to check the system requirements first. You need to make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Zenless Zone 0. Next, you can update your Windows, then you can reinstall the game, and you can even try to contact to the customer support team. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the compatibility issue in Zenless Zone 0. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.